Now, whether it's a telephonic interview or a face-to-face round, it's important to keep your documents ready. Of course, you need the physical copies only for the face-to-face interview in case the submission is required. Now, here is the checklist. Start with the professional resume, which should be printed on a fine quality paper with a laser printer preferably, and extra copies should always be carried, properly filed. Now, do not photocopy the resume. You can carry the photocopies of other documents, but resume should always be there in the fresh prints on a fine quality paper. Next comes the passport size photographs. Now, this is required only in case of the personal interviews, and always carry at least 3 latest passport size photographs. Now, work related documents. First of all, you need appointment letter of the current job. Then comes last 3 months salary slips or a salary certificate with complete breakup. Documentary proof of any other incomes like commissions, incentives, bonuses, etc. Letter of salary hikes if applicable. Promotion letters if applicable. Letters of appreciation or special recognition. Certificate of trainings, seminars or any other important work related events organized or attended. 1 reference from current job and 1 from the previous job if applicable. Finally, the education or qualification documents. All the mark sheets should be arranged in a reverse chronological order. Then the certificates of special courses and training programs attended. Certificates of any software skills, computer trainings, etc. Special achievement certificates and awards documents. 1 reference from latest educational institute you attended. After all this, do not forget to carry your statutory documents, which starts with a PAN card applicable in India, or social security numbers or equivalents in USA or other countries respectively. A driver's license. And finally, the current address proof. Now, you should be ready with the photocopies, as the employer can ask you to show or submit them. You would not require the statutory documents during a telephonic interview, but experience or education documents must be kept ready. If you are at a place where you cannot carry them, make a note and keep it with you, so that if asked for, you do not end up making a factual mistake. And finally, one very important tip. Make sure to bookmark or tag them, so that you don't waste time in finding what's required or been asked for. It also shows your organization skills. Good luck.